do a quick video on a meg on this compressor here on my new Fluke 1587 insulation multimeter. It's got all the bells and whistles. It comes in this nice case here. You get the lead with the push button, so you can test it that way. It comes with the temperature clamp probe and a couple leads. I just purchased this magnet for it, and it comes with these long leads and alligator clips. So I'm gonna check and see if we got a good ground. Let me go to the compressor suction here. Okay, good ground. And then this is a 230 volt, so I'm going to do a 500 volt setting here. You could go up to 1,000. You always want to go twice the voltage of what you're testing with this insulation meter, or any insulation meter. But 500 because it's a 208. Show you power is off or you're disconnected. It's a 208. 230. Alright, there we go. $550. $550 megohms. Another 550. So we're okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and log that. You guys want to be careful when measuring or removing any of these leads here, because you can have a terminal blowout. That's the weakest point of the compressor right there. So be careful when you're removing those. If they're corroded, don't attempt to remove them.